Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us are eager to address: belly fat. In this video, we'll explore 10 strategies to effectively target and reduce belly fat. But before we dive in, make sure to stay updated with all of our latest health and wellness tips. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. 10. Cut back on sugar and refined carbs. Says sugar consumption is a primary contributor to fat gain, particularly in the abdominal area. Sugary drinks, snacks, and refined carbohydrates like white bread and pasta lead to insulin spikes, which can result in fat storage. To reduce belly fat, it's crucial to monitor your sugar intake and opt for healthier alternatives. Choose whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. If you have a sweet tooth, satisfy your cravings with natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. By reducing your sugar consumption, you'll be taking a significant step towards a healthier waistline. 9. Add more protein to your diet. Protein is a valuable nutrient for fat loss. It helps you feel full, reduces cravings, and preserves muscle mass while you burn fat. Including adequate protein in your meals can help control portions and reduce overall calorie intake. Excellent sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and Greek yogurt. Consider having a high-protein breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. 8. Do strength training. While cardio exercises like running and cycling are great for burning calories, strength training is equally important for reducing belly fat. Building muscle mass boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Engage in strength training exercises such as squats, lunges, and deadlifts, which target your core muscles. Aim for at least 3 strength training sessions per week to see noticeable results in your waist zone. 7. Get plenty of sleep. Sleep plays a vital role in fat loss. Adequate sleep helps regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism. On the other hand, lack of sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which triggers belly fat storage. Most adults require 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Prioritize sleep to improve your metabolism, appetite control, and energy levels for workouts. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for a healthy metabolism and can aid in reducing belly fat. Water helps flush toxins from the body, and staying hydrated supports optimal digestive function. It can also help reduce bloating, giving you a slimmer appearance. Additionally, drinking water before meals can increase the feeling of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. Aim to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and adjust this amount based on your activity level. Let's take a quick break. If you're benefiting from our content, please hit the like button and share this video with those who might find it helpful. Your support means the world to us. Now, let's continue.
Reduce stress.
Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can lead to increased belly fat. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, walking, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Incorporate these practices into your routine to help your body effectively manage stress without resorting to fat storage. Avoid alcohol or drink in moderation. Excessive alcohol consumption, especially beer and sugary cocktails, contributes to belly fat. Alcohol provides empty calories and can disrupt your metabolism. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. For women, that means up to 1 drink per day, and for men, up to 2 drinks per day. Opt for lower calorie options like dry wine or spirits with soda water. Add fiber-rich foods. Consuming fiber-rich foods can help reduce belly fat by promoting fullness and aiding digestion. Soluble fiber found in oats, flax seeds, legumes, avocados, and berries slows down digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied, which can lead to reduced calorie intake. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily to help slim your waistline. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It can help reduce overall calorie intake and enhance your body's fat-burning abilities. Popular methods include 16 to 8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during the remaining 8 hours. Many individuals notice significant belly fat reduction within weeks of practicing intermittent fasting. 10. Stay consistent and track your progress. Losing belly fat takes time and consistency. Stick to your healthy habits and track your progress to stay motivated. Monitor your measurements, take photos, and keep a food and exercise journal. Celebrate small achievements and remember that consistency is key. Don't get discouraged and stay committed to your goals. Remember, Reducing belly fat requires a holistic approach that includes diet, exercise, and lifestyle modifications. Stay consistent, be patient, and prioritize your well-being. And there you have it. Thanks for joining us on this journey to a healthier you. Till next time, stay well and embrace a better, fitter you. Get your supplement in the link below.